Good morning everyone. So today's one is Idla Lab that I have told you about Audacity. So let us start with Audacity. So after starting Audacity, we'll check the question here. So the first question is Tamish loves singing. He has decided to record his song in Audacity. He already has an audio file with the instrumental for the song. Help him import this audio file and then record the song in his own voice. So here what we need to do is we have to import a file which is the instrumental, and then we have to record our own voice over that instrumental. Okay, so for that the first thing that you need to do is we have to go to this edit and go to preference. Okay, see the steps here. We'll go to edit and go to preference and go to recording here. When we go to this recording, see this one, record on a new track. This might be unchecked. Okay, so if it is unchecked, you need to check it up. So you need to check this one, record on new track should be checked, and then press OK. After that, to import the file, say we have a file in the desktop. This one is our background music, so we can just click and drag it over here. So this file has come here. Now this one, you can see two files. It's not actually two files, it is the same file, the left and right. We suppose in your earphone you can hear in left and right, so this is the left and this is the right. Okay, so this is the stereo mode, that is why two sounds are there. Okay, so that's not the concern right now. What we need to do is, this is our instrumental. So if I play this instrumental here, say, and then stop, we'll play in the lower voice so that our voice is also clear. So if I play here, you can hear the sound. So I'll record my voice over this sound. Okay, this will be in my background and the voice will be there. So for that, we just simply need to click on this record button. First I will click where I want to put my voice. So here I'll click, say if I want to put it here, I'll click here. If I want to put it here, I'll click here. So wherever I click, from there only the recording will start. Okay, so I've clicked over here, then I'll go to record. Now as soon as I start recording, you can see in the background the music is playing, and also see this music is playing, and in the background my voice is recording. If I stop talking, it won't record anything, and when I start talking, then it will start recording here along with the background music. Okay, and as soon as I stop, then it will stop recording. See, it has stopped recording. Now you can see if I play over here, if I play from here, now as soon as I start recording, you can see in the background the music is playing, and also see this music is playing, and in the background my voice is recording. If I stop talking, okay, so there was a mistake actually, so I'll just revert it. I'll show you the mistake now. So let me press Ctrl Z, so it will be reversed. Ctrl plus Z in your keyboard, Ctrl plus Z. Okay, now what happened is, see, while I was recording, it was also playing. So I am recording from my computer microphone, and the speaker is playing, so computer microphone is taking the music also, and also my voice. So what I need to do is, I have to mute this track. So I'll click on this mute. Okay, so when I click on this mute, then while recording, this music will not go in the background. So after muting this, I'll start recording at the same place. So now you can see, when I talk, then only the waveforms are forming. If I stop talking, the waveforms are not there. See, there is no waveforms because the music is not playing now. So this is what I am recording. The plain voice of mine is getting recorded, but I can play it along with the music afterwards. So here I'll stop recording. So here you can see this one, in this waveform my voice is there, So if I play this one now, so now you can see when I talk, then only the waveforms are forming. If I stop talking, the waveforms are not there. See, there is no waveforms because the music is not playing. Okay, so this is only my voice now because this one is muted. So if I unmute this one and then I play, then it will the voice will come over the music. So now you can see when I talk, then only the waveforms are forming. If I stop talking, the waveforms are not there. See, there is no waveforms because the music is not playing now. Okay, so you understood that how to do this one. So you can experiment it if you want to sing and all. You can put the karaoke over there and then record your own voice. So then, and after that you need to save this. So what you need to do is just you have recorded your voice here. You don't need all this portion. So you can just select this portion like this. You can select this portion and then export the file. Export the file. Export is MP3 or web format, whatever format you need, you can export it. So your voice along with the karaoke music will come there. Okay, so our first question was this one, how to import the audio file and then record the song. So this is our first file and you need first question, and you need to write the steps involved in your copies. Okay, so this is these are the steps. As I have told you, you have to go to edit, then preference. That is the first step. Then import this one. I've clicked and dragged it. You can just go to file and then you can go to import. So like this, you can go to import audio files and then import the file also. So this is the first question. We'll go to the second question now.